This is a quick preview of the U-level 3D terrain mapping feature. First, we're connected to the level. To get this process started, you'll hit the top right-hand side of the ruler. Now what the level is doing is detecting the surface, kind of getting a lay of the land, so to say. Now I have the display in front of us today. Ordinarily this would be on a monopod and you wouldn't be able to see it. I can zero it. We're starting out at a plus 3/16 of an inch or so. I'm going to show that as the reading. Now the yellow line that the computer is drawing is our distance between points. So I'm going to let it settle out here for just a second. About a little over an inch. If we go back down this yellow line, we're scaled in inches today. It's going to show us we're 138 1/8 inch between points. Now we can scale that in feet, centimeters, decimeters, whatever we want to put it in. I'll bring this down. We also have the option of putting in comments. Let's see, now we're a little over 4 inches. I'm going to put this in via voice recognition so you'll lose my voice. We also have an option. We're here close to a water meter base. See this. Have an option for putting photos in. I'm going to tag a photo, top right hand side. You see the little camera icon. That just put a photo into our report. Now I'm going to continue. I'm doing a small area today just to make this quick and easy. You can do a 200. We have a 200-foot area that we can work in. Now I'm going to close it up, left hand side. Now, we've shot a perimeter. The computer needs to know this. It gives you, you'll see in the Uvision software package later why we did the perimeter. All of these points were designated P1 up until now. Once I close that perimeter like I did, you lost the yellow line, although the computer still knows exactly where we are, our X, Y, and our Z. I'm going to tag this far right-hand button. All that did was designate our points from this point forward as P2. We'll go into more detail on this later. Tag another point over here real quick. Okay, now I'm going to log the data. Now we have, you can go through and see, it will save this data in our app. We have everything we've done so far. Top right hand side. Now I'm going to go back into our app so we can see view readings. All of our data is saved. This is the information we just took. I'm going to email this to us. Top right hand side again. Now I'm going to my email in my phone. It'll look a little different, of course, in your computer. Now there's a plot. These are the two files. The main file that you want is the coordinate file here. This is the one that will be uploaded into your Uvision. And we have a place for comments. I didn't record that comment. What you will do is simply go into your inbox in your computer, pull out that CSV file, and just transfer it or copy and paste it over into your Uvision program. And then I have detailed instructions. It's very simple. Uvision makes this very easy to take that information and put it into a program and create a contour map, and then you can use